Hello out there, it's Chris again. Today's phrase is the phrase take up. What is take up? Take up is when you want to start a new hobby. What's a hobby? A hobby is something you do when you have free time, like trekking or basketball or some sport or something. So, when you want to tell people that you will start something, you can say, hey, I think I want to take up skiing or take up swimming. If you want to talk about someone else, you can say, he took up skiing as a hobby. So the next time you want to talk about starting a hobby, you can use the phrase take up. Okay, take care. Bye bye.